Lost. No, we can't. We can't win it. I've decided we can't win it. Just for a while, we thought we could. But that was just for a while. Now we know we can't win it. We can't stand still and win it, or run and win it, or do right and win it, or do wrong and win it. Somebody else is going to win it. That's why somebody else is there, and we are here. It is terrible to be defeated in what seems to count. It will happen. To accept it is impossible. To know it is more important than doves or switchblades or love.